Hey, I'm Jared. This is Omnivore bladeworks. Y'all like sharp things? I do. I'm in the armory, and I wanted to show you what I'm working on as a sort of a progress report. This is the Americanus, and I'm working on some sheaths. I have a version of a sheath that didn't quite work out, and so I started working on some more. Different mold. This setup has got spacers both in the edge side and the spine, so it's very, very safe. And the panel that I've designed for adapting malice clips to allows you to either use this panel or just use the sheath plain symmetrically, on either side without this standoff feature, which looks kind of dumb. And it's impossible to get at the fasteners on the inside after you assemble a sheath. So that's my umpteenth iteration of the Americana sheath, and now I'm just kind of finalizing some stuff, and those are going to go out soon. There's the Tanuki. I'm working on a sheath for it as well. I mean, that's the Tanuki Wakizaji. Also have the karambit, what is it called? The Ulapong karambit. And I've got quite a few of these done. I'm going to be making some more inside the waistband belt loops for most of these, and then a few of these belt panels which can be carried horizontally or vertically. I kind of want to ship those with both so that you have an option, but most people I think are going to probably go for, I don't know, the belt loop. Let me know. What do you think? I have these AEBL one-of-a-kind or four-of-a-kind knives that need sheaths, and then I also have, finally, the Magnum Imamba sheath finished. I've got four of these jokers. One of them spoken for. Just got to sharpen them up and send them out. These holes are set up for malice clips directly, and the sheath can be totally disassembled because it's all bolted together with sex screws. So it's going to be up to the end user to figure out how to mount that, because I'm not going to worry about it. Also trying to figure out the next better iteration of a sheath for the Tanuki Katana. This one with aluminum spacer is a little bit ridiculous. Very safe, but ridiculous too. Going back out into the main part of the shop, I've got a chef's knife that needs to be finished sanded. Just laying around. I've got the Tanuki Katana sheath kind of laying around in a mess. I've got the CNC router, which I built a vacuum table for, which I can use the shop vac on. And today I cut some spacers from kydex by shooting the kydex with some glue and sticking it down to this MDF, and then the MDF was sucked down with the vacuum because I was having trouble getting things to stay put with just the vacuum table and kydex. Just more kydex stuff. There's a sheath jig for that Americanus knife that I was telling you about. Here's a box of new sanding belts from Pops, which I really need to open up. Here I am using a Benchmade knife. I'm a knife maker, and I use a Benchmade knife in my pocket. I guess that's a testament to how handy pocket knives are, or maybe I should be making pocket knives. Anyway, this bunch of different belts, a couple of new ones from Pops that I haven't tried before. I'm going to report back about those to my fellow knife makers. What else is going on? There's a sheath mold for the Magnum Imamba and the Tanuki Wakizaji. And then in the grinding room, things are so messy, it's stupid. Been doing some hand sanding with my tactical assault sanding block. There it is. And I'm going to be doing some wet grinding on some EBL so that I can get this direwolf and this other crazy thing finished and out to customers. This is a direwolf that's going to be heading out to a customer who also wants the Magnum Imamba. So that'll be great to get those out the door. Also various other things laying around. But Also, I'm going to be making some cool Parvis bushcraft bushfighter knives with some maple burl, stabilized maple burl that my apprentice Tom stabilized for me. And so those are going to be kind of neat, unique pieces. Alright, that's all I have to tell you right now. I'm going to take a little break. Thursday afternoon is usually I go out to the climbing gym. It's my only social time. So, see you next time, and email me or comment below, and I'll get back to you if anything in this video floats your boat and you want it. Alright, see you next time.